This little-known TradingView indicator gives you buy and sell signals every time price retests the moving average. It's so straightforward to use that even some with very little trading experience can quickly get the hang of it. Take a look at the trades this tool highlighted on Ethereum's chart. It is honestly impressive how accurate it can be. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk us through how we can use this indicator and how to turn it into a clear, rules-based trading strategy that follows supply and demand concepts and the basic market dynamics. If you're enjoying content like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Income Nomad. The goal of this channel is to share the latest, most effective strategies in the simplest way possible. No fluff, just practical methods. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Before we dive into the rules of the strategy, let's go over how to actually find and install this indicator. It works especially well for short-term day trading on timeframes like 5, 15, or 30 minutes and can be used across crypto, Forex, and stocks. Right now, I'm looking at Ethereum on 15-minute chart. To add it, just open the Indicators tab, search for Wyckoff Check MA by this amazing author. Big shout out to them, by the way. And then open up the settings. Inside the input section, you'll see 4 customization blocks. The first block controls moving average settings. You can choose the type of moving average, the source, and the length. There are up to 12 different moving averages available, each with its own calculation method. Personally, I like using the exponential moving average, but feel free to experiment. I leave the source on default. As for length, remember, the larger the number, the slower the moving average reacts. For testing, I found that a setting of 100 works very well. The second block deals with trend validation. This setting determines how many candles need to close above or below the moving average in order to confirm a trend. For example, when the market is consolidating, it's risky to open trades, since price often whipsaws back and forth across the moving average. Waiting for a set number of candles to close on one side helps filter out those choppy conditions. If we set the number to 30, the chart will show fewer signals, but cleaner ones. I generally keep it at 10, though you can adjust depending on your preference. Overall, this makes the Wyckoff Check MA a very versatile tool for building different strategies. Remember, a moving average is often treated as a key level that price tends to return to. Depending on the trend, it can act as either support or resistance. But not every pullback leads to continuation. Sometimes the trend reverses entirely. That's why this indicator is so useful. It helps separate the good pullbacks from the bad ones. Here's how it works. In an uptrend, when price pulls back to the moving average but the candles don't actually close below it, you'll often see bars with long lower wicks. That shows a strong buying pressure holding the line. Sellers are unable to push through, so the indicator issues a buy signal. On the flip side, in a downtrend, when price retests the moving average but can't close above it, the tool issues a sell signal. Now, some of these signals are extremely accurate, while others are not. To improve the accuracy, we made a few important observations. First, we noticed that the initial pullback to the moving average after a trend shift tends to have much higher reliability than the second or third. The reason is simple. The first pullback still has plenty of momentum behind it. By the second or third retest, the move could already be exhausted, and you might be too late entering. The second improvement we found is to use a basic candlestick pattern, like an engulfing bar, as secondary confirmation. Let me give you an example. After a shift from bearish to bullish, price pulled back to the EMA for the first time, and the indicator printed a buy signal. The very next candle completely engulfed the one before it, showing a strong bullish momentum. With both conditions met, the probability of trend continuation shot up. Here's a quick test for you. Look at the sell signal. Based on the rules we've covered, do you think it's valid? Take a second to decide. If you said yes, you're correct. The criteria are all in place. Another powerful filter you can add to this strategy is the money flow index, or MFI. But I recommend the one by this amazing author. Big shout out to them, by the way. After you add it, tweak the settings for better visuals. Make the line white or any other color to your preference, boost the background opacity, and hide the level markers. The MFI is an oscillator that tracks money flowing in and out of an asset. It's similar to RSI, but it also includes volume data, so it's more accurate. Traders use it to spot overbought and oversold conditions. Adding it to this strategy makes it even stronger, because you can quickly check whether the market is stretched at the moment of pullback. For example, if a bullish engulfing bar forms and at the same time the MFI shows oversold conditions, the buy signal becomes far more reliable. Always remember the golden rule of trading. In an uptrend, buy the dips. In a downtrend, sell the rallies. This tool and these filters help you do exactly that. And here's something exciting. If I were you, I wouldn't be spending from my own pocket to trade when you can get funded easily. And how to do that is what my friend Michael is about to tell you.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure with FundedNext. You trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with FundedNext. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about what you'll get? Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join FundedNext today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext.
Traders, if you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Income Nomad. If you're new, welcome aboard. There's plenty more to come.